someone will be asking, where can I get people from to buy my product? So we are going to look at where you can generate leads from. If you are working on the online space, you should know that the whole world is your market, because the whole world is actually hooked to the internet now. So if you are working on the online space, you are a potential billionaire. Why? Because you are not limited to a geographical location like the market space in your town. Those in the market space in your town have access to only those who come to that market. But you on the online space, the whole world is your market space. You can trade or sell anywhere. So you should know how to generate quality leads on the internet. Now, how do you generate lead, and where do you generate your leads from? You can generate leads from Facebook. You can generate leads from Instagram. You can generate leads from Twitter or X, from TikTok, from WhatsApp. These are some of the major sources of leads or sources of traffics. Okay, but there are other sources too that also help people to generate very quality leads, though it is not really common everywhere. So we are looking at Quora. Quora is one quality lead generation source. Pinterest, Reddit, Snapchat, all these are sources for lead generation. So we'll be looking at them one after the other. When you take Facebook, for instance, you can be able to generate several leads on Facebook by just posting an advert of the product you are promoting. You see people following through into your DM to inquire about the product. That is the main reason why we created our personal WhatsApp link and then our mini website, so that when people click on those links on Facebook, it brings them directly into your DM. It could be your Facebook Messenger or WhatsApp DM, just anyhow, but you have to channel them. So after you've been able to generate the leads, how do you get them into your personal DM? It could be WhatsApp or Facebook. How do you get them in? That is what we call funneling. So next session, we are going to be looking at funneling, how to funnel your leads into your personal DM so you can be able to have one-on-one chat with them.